Laptops, the ultimate tool for productivity and creativity. Laptops have revolutionized the way we work, learn, and play. From students to professionals, creatives to gamers, everyone relies on laptops for everyday tasks. Whether it's for studying, coding, or enjoying media, laptops are designed for efficiency and portability. The versatility of laptops makes them an essential part of modern life. With powerful processors, stunning displays, and long battery life, your laptop is always ready to go wherever you are. So, whether you're at home, school, or on the go, a laptop keeps you connected to what matters most. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Have a favorite laptop? Let us know in the comments. Stay productive, stay creative, and always keep learning.